Hey, my Ninja Warriors, I know that only 2 months are remaining for your JEE main examination and the pressure is round the corner. Why? Because so many things to do. First of all, you have 3 subjects PCM. Then you have pending syllabus. Then you have the complete revision thing. Then you have to retain all the things which you are studying since 2 years or 1 year of your preparation journey. Then you have to practice also. You have to remember the formulas also. You have to solve loads and loads of PYQs also, right? So much pressure. And the time is very limited. Fixed time is allotted to everybody, approximately 2 months. Ma'am, what should I do? So basically, if you're not going to strategize and plan now when the time is less and loads of things to do in these 2 months, then you have to strategize, you have to plan. Otherwise, what will happen? You are going to be stressed out, frustrated, clueless, directionless. Okay, so this video is going to save that directionless thing from you, of you. Okay, yes. So I am here with, like chemistry, I am here with maths detailed planner. Okay, now this planner, let me tell you, this planner is not a random planner. You know what? The whole Vedantu team along with me sat down and curated all those subtopics that should be done, must do subtopics that should be done before JEE main. And these are the high weightage topics. That means no matter what do you want to do, which chapter do you want to pick, I am not having any say in that, because I know that you might be having, like, some people are somewhere else in the preparation journey, some people are somewhere else. Maybe you have class 11 strong, some people class 12 strong, some people physics strong, some people chemistry strong. Different strategies, different things altogether. What I'm trying to say is, you cannot afford to skip the high weightage topics. Okay, rest. Now everything you can customize as per your thing, your school timing, your needs, everything. But what I am telling you, that those topics should not be skipped in mathematics at any cost, because sure these questions or these subtopics will be asked in JEE Main 2026. Okay, so we'll start with week number 1. Week number 1 may we are going to make sure that we are going to solve all the variety of problems from topic methods of finding limits. Okay, then standard deviation and variance from the statistics chapter. This is the second topic. See, easy peasy. System of linear equation, Cramer's rule, so I don't have to say that this will be a short question in JEE Main. And then matrix multiplication, 100% confidently this question will be there, along with properties of adjoint of matrices. So these are the short things that you have to do in week number 1. Then we have week number 2. I told you in 2025, almost every shift was having a question from types of relation, right? Along with that, week 2 will have these 2 topics as well. Then we have week 3. This is the important subtopics from definite integration. This is area under curve and linear differential equation in X and in Y. Both topics are very important. Trust me, one short question you will definitely see in JEE Main 2026. Okay. Then we have similarly week 4, 5, 6 and 7. All right. So these are non-negotiables. Okay. Make sure now you can, obviously you can customize it if you want that, ma'am. AP, I think this week 6 thing, I will do it in the beginning. That is doable, that is fine. Okay, so over here this is the plan. Now the same plan, you know what, same plan we are following in Sigma high weightage crash course. Okay, and you know what, the same crash course which has been started in the mid of November, now we are taking another entries for the same crash course. Okay, all right. So it is going to start from 24th November, Monday. This is the start date. Okay, and you know what, this is compiled with Eclavier test series as well. So if you see over here, this is the test series planning, which you can see again. Can you see the same pattern? Whatever we are teaching in Sigma batch, it is in line with Eclavier test series. so that you don't have to worry. Because students text me a lot of things on my Telegram also. Ma'am, my school is doing this, my coaching is doing this, and my test is something else. Okay, so this is actually, although they are teaching you nicely, although they are teaching you right things, but you know what, when your test and your syllabus are not aligned, no, then your brain will get confused. This is the only, I mean, this is a very good point of Sigma Batch, that whatever we are teaching, we are going in line with Eklavya test series. Okay, so teaching and mock tests are going hand in hand. So yes, this is the weekly plan, and you know what, a lot of tests you're going to get. 32 weekly tests corresponding to lectures, 11 periodic tests will be given to you, and you know what, you will get a beautiful community also. High weightage crash course students, just talk to them. Okay, you can discuss that. Okay, same thing you all are studying, same teacher is teaching you, so many students. Okay, and very good feedback we are getting. Then same students are giving those couple of tests. Okay, and you know what, the test is pretty much in line with our course in such a way that almost a lot of students are getting very high score. The mock test score went quickly a jump, we can see, of every student. We have got full syllabus test as well. Okay, so what I am trying to say is that if you are enrolled in a course, well and good. But if you are not enrolled in a course, at least you can have the advantage of the weekly planning of Sigma High Weightage Crash Course. Are you getting my point? Yes. And you know what, some people are already enrolled in Eklavya test series. So what you can do is you can plan also this 2 months planner. You can go through that also, and you can incorporate this in your schedule, so that again your Eklavya test series and go hand in hand. Okay, all right, so this is me, your Ninja Ma'am, signing off, and I am going to see you in the next video.